Today in class, you're going to do an allusions activity to learn the term allusions and how it's different than illusions. You have two links here that you'll need to use. The first is to sign up for which allusion you want from the novel. The other one is a presentation, which you will use to make a slide. The sign-up sheet looks like this, and as the day goes on, there's going to be more selected by your peers. So you'll notice it says student's name, chapter, and the allusions, and they're in order, chapter 1, chapter 2, so on and so forth. Over here under student name, don't just start typing your name. Click on this little arrow, and you will see a drop-down menu to your name, and you would select it, and that's saying that it is yours. That means nobody else should come in and take that person's name off of it. Once somebody has selected it, you need to pick a different one. Then on the presentation, everybody has editing rights to this, so you might want to go down and duplicate a slide down here to create yours so that you're not messing with anybody else's slide. Remember, the revision history will show me what everybody did, so if you delete somebody's work or mess with their work, I will be able to see that. The first is just an introductory slide. The second is the directions, so please refer to this often as you are making your slide. It says create a visual representation of the allusion. So yes, it does need to have a visual on it. Here are things in the left column that you must have. It must have your name on it, the class period, the allusion that you were assigned, a visual of the allusion, an explanation of the allusion, and the example from the novel. So you're going to have to look it up in that chapter and find how it was used in the novel. Give the chapter, page number cited correctly using MLA format. Here are some other things you can use. Of course, you're going to have text. You could have a drawing if you wanted to. You could have different shapes, images online or ones you take, a video. Sometimes you can find videos about these topics, these allusions, and what you can use is your creativity. So everybody should look different. I have done one for you just to show you. I took the one Mockingbird from chapter 10. So I say chapter 10 here. So I might just want to bold that. So I give an explanation of the allusion, what it's referring to. Of course, it's referring to the bird, but as I said, after chapter 10, it also represents Boo Radley and Tom Robinson. And we'll talk about at the end of the novel which one and why both of them could be. So then I give the example from the novel, how it is used, and I explain that right here, that it's Atticus talking, and then Miss Maudie follows up with it, and I give the citation. It's Harper Lee, page 90. So that is how you're going to do the allusion activity today in class. The way that you set it up could be different, but you need to have all the criteria met. So refer back to this slide to make sure you have done that.